friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious floating Jello. The flavor will be milk and orange that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This is what you need to make this amazing and delicious floating Jello. I have the orange Jello, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin, 1 package of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of milk, and water. Let me tell you, this floating Jello comes out amazing. So let's get started. I first want to start by greasing my baking dish. Look at this. This mold needs to be nice and greased so the Jello doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Here I have my Jello and I'm using Degati. 1 cup of very hot water. I'm going to mix it for a couple minutes. When everything has dissolved completely, I am going to add 1.5 cups of cold milk and mix it one more time to incorporate the flavor of the gelatin. Now I am ready to pour it into my mold. I'm just going to pour about 2 inches and take it to the refrigerator. I am going to hydrate the gelatin, unflavored gelatin, with 1/2 cup of cold water. It's going to bloom. It's going to be really nice and thick. And that's exactly how you want it. You're going to put it aside. Now I am ready to add all the mixture of the Jello that's going to be creamy and with lots of milk. 1 cup of regular milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, and don't forget your vanilla extract or your vanilla paste. I am using vanilla paste. This is going to give the Jello such a delicious and amazing flavor. Look at the unsweetened gelatin. Take it to the microwave for a couple minutes until it dissolved completely. And now let's blend away. This Jello, it's a floating Jello. It's a process, but the Jello comes out amazing. Once the unflavored gelatin has been dissolved, we're going to mix and start adding it so that it doesn't clump up. Look at this. This is going to be so creamy and so delicious. After about 30 minutes, the orange Jello, it's already a little firm. I am ready to add the Jello of the milk. Very gentle, slowly. I'm going to add it in here, and then I'm going to take it one more time to the refrigerator so that it starts getting nice and thick. And now after 30 minutes, it's not sticking to my fingers. I'm going to pull it apart so that it floats when I add the rest of the orange Jello. Make sure that you really separate all those little edges, and you're going to notice the Jello floating. That's exactly how you want it. You're going to add the rest of the orange Jello, cover it with saran wrap, take it to the refrigerator for about 1 hour to 2 hours. After that time, we are ready to reveal this floating Jello. I am ready to see how this is going to look. And of course, I want to taste it. I really want to enjoy it. Look at this. I'm going to transfer it to a plate, and then let's reveal how this Jello is going to come out. It looks amazing. Look at this. The flavors are going to be delicious. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And let's reveal how it looks from the inside. This heart looks amazing. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy. This Jell-O looks delicious. And of course, the heart looks amazing. I am ready to show you the texture of the Jell-O. It's not too hard, but it's not too wiggly. You could really enjoy it. Look at this. The layers of the orange and then the layer of the milk. Nice and creamy. I am ready to taste. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this floating Jell-O. The part in the center is made out of milk and cream cheese, and the outer part of orange. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. What a perfect combination. The center is so creamy. The flavors of the vanilla, perfection. And the outer portion, orange. Just a perfect combination. So delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing orange floating Jell-O. See you soon. Bye-bye.